more than 50% of people in crypto will end up losing all their money. This video will help you in order not to fall in that category. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you the reasons, 3 reasons why people lose most of their money or all their money in crypto. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button before we get started. Subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so when next I publish new video content, you'll be notified. Now, like I said, I'll be showing you, explaining to you 3 very good reasons why people lose all their money in crypto. And so the first one is poor entry. Now, it is not enough to buy an asset in a crypto asset. It's not enough to buy a crypto asset. It is more important. What is more important is at what level did you buy an asset? Okay, now for instance, we have 2 investors. An investor buy Bitcoin at $70,000. Another investor buy Bitcoin at $16,000. These are not in the same level at all. So it is always very important to know the level at which you buy an asset, because everything depends on it. Okay, now looking at Bitcoin. When you look at Bitcoin, you see that there's a trough, or you see that there's a downtrend, and you see that there's an uptrend. That's an uptrend. That's it. When Bitcoin was very, very low, the price was low, $22,000. It will come down to $16,000, $17,000. All right. Now, we also see that Bitcoin at this point, okay, this was 2021. At 2024, by 2024, Bitcoin has started rising, and this was at the first new all-time high at $74,000, and now we are currently hovering around $100,000. So what most people do, what a bad entry look like is, most people will wait. They won't buy at this point. They'll buy when Bitcoin has attained a new all-time. They'll buy at this level, $74,000. Now, buying at this price, so because of, why do they buy at that price? Because of FOMO, fear of missing out. So because other people are making money, they are hearing it all over the internet, they rush. With that adrenaline rush, they rush and buy Bitcoin at this price. Now, at this price, it is very, very hard for you to make 2x, to make something significant as an investor from trading Bitcoin, for investing in Bitcoin at this price. So this is what we call wrong entry. And this is not just Bitcoin. For other assets, most people rush in and buy the top. So this is wrong. But what if there's a situation whereby, okay, you know about Bitcoin and you are waiting for the perfect entry, and once the market dip, you buy at this level, you buy $17,000 or $16,000. Now, at this point, at this new all-time high, $24,000. That means you have made 3x. At this $100,000, you've made a lot of money. So your entry is very important, and it's very good that you always wait for an opportunity to have a good entry. So having explained that, let's also look at this asset tower. The Tensor is a very good project, and most people FOMO into it. So most people buy at this level, at this line, this red line. They buy at this red line. And you can see, buy at this red line is still $781. Now, when you buy at this line, this is a wrong entry. But when you buy at this level, it's $383. Now, from here to this point, it's almost 2x. So buying at this level, at this green level, is the right entry. You should always wait for an asset to, for an opportunity to buy an asset. For instance, one of the ways you can apply this is, let's say there's an asset that you are monitoring and you think the asset is very good, it has all fundamental, like graphene. So wait for that asset to dip significantly. Maybe when Bitcoin dip and it affects the entire market, wait and you buy it and you have a good entry for that asset. So this is important, and I think you should pay attention to it if you don't want to lose all your money in crypto. All right. So the next thing is not taking profit. Most traders or most investors don't take profit. They believe that the price of an asset will keep rising. Now, let me state this, that we are on Earth and we are under gravitational pull. Even the financial market has a gravitational pull. So that means no asset will continue to rise. All assets that rise must fall. So that means no asset will continue to rise without dipping, without fluctuating. Every asset is subject to fluctuation effect. In fact, in the crypto, we call it volatility risk. You can buy an asset today, tomorrow it has dipped by 50%. So that is what the market is. So that suggests to us that as the market and Bitcoin have a new all-time high, profit should be taken along the way. Profit should be taken along the way. Don't wait for Bitcoin to reach $500,000 before taking profit. Now, it depends on the type of investors you are anyway. So let's say, for instance, for Bitcoin, once you buy at this level, you buy at $16,000, $17,000, $20,000 per Bitcoin. Now, and once Bitcoin achieve a new all-time high relative to the previous all-time high, previous bull all-time high. Previous bull all-time high was $68,000, and the new all-time high, the first new all-time high was 74. Okay, was $75,000 So when you buy at this level, at this point, take at least 50% of the market. When you take 50% of the market, you secure both your capital and some profit, which is very good. Then as the market attain new all-time high, you can be taking this year out, taking 20%, 10%, 30%, and so on and so forth until you maximize the value of that investment. This is key and significant. Okay, so with this, applying it with potential. So what most people do is that they just believe that this asset potential is going to $10,000, and because of that, they will hold the asset. Okay, when they have new all-time high, they won't sell. They won't sell because they believe that the asset will reach maybe $10,000. Now, the best thing to do is to, when you buy an asset, let's say you buy an asset here, okay, when it attains a new all-time high. Okay, let's say you buy an asset at this point, maybe 176, and it gets to maybe $800 or $1,000. You close 50%, and you know that what you have is profit. Then as the asset goes up, you take profit. So most people hold, and the asset will go up, and it will come back. And then most people buy at this point, at this point. So they hold, once the asset gets to this place, they keep holding and the asset come back to the entry level. So this is why most people lose a lot of money. For instance, most people buy here, the way they think the asset is going to $500,000 or $1 billion, they hold until the asset will come back to their entry level. So this is one of the reasons why people lose all their investment, all their money trading or investing in crypto. All right. So the next reason, which is also very significant, is capitulation reason. Capitulation factor. Most people lose a significant percentage of their capital, of their money, due to capitulation. They are not patient, and capitulation is very easy for people that buy at a high. Maybe now most people buy FOMO into, for instance, Bitcoin. Okay, let me explain what capitulation means. Capitulation means selling your asset at a loss. Okay, say you buy Bitcoin at $70,000 and it's now dipping to $40,000. You sell at $40,000. That means you have lost a huge sum of money. You have lost a huge sum of money, about more than 30% of your investment or of your money. Yeah, so this is how it works. Most people, let's say you bought here, okay, you bought at this level at $75,000, and instead of it to be going up, it dipped to $50,000. Then you now sell at $50,000. Okay, you sell at $50,000. You sell at $50,000. So that's what we call capitulation. You sell at a loss. So most people are very fearful. Once they see they buy an asset and they see the price going down, they sell. So when you do that, one, you end up decreasing your confidence. Like it will affect your confidence or your level of confidence in trading or investing, and two, you lose money. Now the same thing is also applicable to here. So most people buy here. Once they see the market going down, and get to this point, they sell. Imagine buying at this point and selling at this point. You have lost 50% of your money. So when you combine, the same is also true for Tron trade. Okay, for Tron. So most people, what they do is they will buy high. They will buy. Let's say they will buy at this level. They will sell 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 at this level. So this is why most people lose. We end up losing all the money they have in crypto. Now, if you find this helpful and very, very useful, hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment. Do you think there are other reasons why we end up losing all their money in crypto? If there are, comments below in the comment section. Now, on this channel, there's a video that talks about DeepSeek AI, how you can use DeepSeek AI to increase your productivity. Check it out and you'll find it very helpful. CoinDollar has a community, and in our community, we guide people on how to make money in crypto on a daily basis. Check the description section for the link. See you there.